Okay, we're going to look at how we can find the mean, the mode, and the median, plus other things such as quartiles from a set of data. So we're going to go into statistics too, and we should get a menu like that. Now, here's our list of numbers. First thing I want to do is enter this set of numbers. So I am going to click F6, find delete all, and that will delete this list. So now I'm simply going to enter the values, 85 and execute, and so on. Now whilst I'm doing it, I'm actually going to do the second list as well. So I'm going to go across and I'm going to put in these English values as well, just to save us time for later. Now I want to find the mean, mode and median of this list. I'm just going to ignore this list for the time being. So what I need to do is look along this menu for the calculate. It's not there, so I'm going to go across and across. Here it is, calculate. I'm going to press F2. Now before I do it, I'm always going to be using this one var unless we're doing regression and correlation. But for simple stuff, it's one var. But before I do, I'm going to set it. Now I want it set to list 1 because that's for this data. Very importantly, I want the frequency to 1. Don't worry about anything else, but the frequency is 1 because we've got 185, 172, 180 and so on. So that's set correctly. We're going to go back, going to press 1 var, and here we go. The X bar, that's our mean. This one, if you're interested, is all the X's added up together. And this one, this will be used later in statistics at IB, and this one and this one. This is N, this tells me how many numbers I've got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we can go down and we can see we've got the minimum value, which is 51, the median value, the middle, which is 76, which isn't in the list, but it's the middle of the middle two values. And these two, the upper and the lower quartiles, and the maximum value. But also, we've got the mode, 85. So we've got everything there that we need. Now, let's go back, and now I want to do the Y one. So all I've got to do is I'm going to do 1 var again, but before I do it, I'm just going to set. I want to change the list to number 2, because our English values are in number 2. So the list is set to number 2, the frequency is still 1. I'm just going to exit, and I'm going to press 1 var. And there's my mean. There's how many numbers. I've got a minimum of 43, median of 62, a quartile of 79, and a mode of 62. So yes, there's two 62s. So all my information is there, and more.